Hello guys, I am back. Someone is going to turn into a ponytail professional after watching this video. So this is the hair extension I use. You will need a ponytail wig cap, which is this, which has a drawstring, and you need a mannequin head or just somewhere to attach the net flatly. So a mannequin head is the best option, but if you don't have it, just find a soft surface where your needle will not pierce through, but you can lay the hair flat and hold it down. So to start off, the very first thing you want to ensure that you do not make this mistake is do not let your needle touch that string, the black string that runs through the edge of the ponytail. Do not let your needle poke through that string, but you need to sew the hair to the edge as much as possible. So the first hair I am sewing around, I am pushing the string back a little bit to give room for where my needle will pass, still at the edge of the ponytail. You see this part that is black? I am trying to sew the hair extension on that part without ever ever poking through the string, so that when you draw the string it will be able to move. If you sew it, you're going to hold it down to that location and it will mess up your ponytail. So to be a professional, this is the first thing you need to make sure of. Okay, so I continue sewing round and round. Second point to be aware of, if you take note, you will see that I am putting in the needle in a very close distance, as close as I can tolerate, sincerely. If you are free and patient, try to sew this as close as possible to look as if it is a sewing machine that you used. If you have a sewing machine, you can use it. That's the best option. So I sew this as close as possible. If you do not sew it very close, when you draw the string and the ponytail squishes up, you're going to see the hair extension lifting. Those gaps that you left is going to let the hair extension bend in that section, and it looks messy and annoying. It is going to annoy your spirit if you see that thing. It is so annoying. So just take your time and sew it as closely as possible as you can. Something else I was thinking when I was making this, I was like, yes, I am going to remember to tell them that they shouldn't worry about the hair not being enough, because as you keep going around the circle, it is going to start requiring just fewer hair to cover the circumference again. So once as you're going around, the circle is reducing. Do not panic and feel as if you do not have enough hair. Just chill, your hair is going to be enough. And I ended up using just 2 out of the 3 packs I wanted to use, and you will see how I fixed this at the end. But do not bother about that. If you start feeling as if you have so much space left and your hair is not going to be enough, it is most likely going to be enough, because as that circle reduces, it requires less hair to go round and round and round. You will keep using less hair every time you go around. So at this point, I am going at a regular speed so that you will see, because some of these tutorials can be deceiving. This is the regular speed. So let's continue our speed up. I was done with 1 pack of hair at this point. Do not watch this tutorial and when you're doing your own, you get frustrated thinking that you're slow. No, you're not slow. All of us are that slow. It's just because while editing, I fast forwarded this video so that it will not show 30 minutes waka about. So yes, please be patient and just take your time. You are not going to be as fast as this thing because you are not a robot. So I keep going. You can see I am sewing as close as I can without even giving spaces in between. That is how it is supposed to be. When you are done and your hair is scanty, you can still go in and sew in the hair in those, like in the space that you already created. No matter how tiny it is, you can go round again, but it is going to just annoy the hell out of you because you have to be holding the hair away from falling into where you are walking, and that is just extra work. So just try to sew this as close as possible from the beginning. If your hair is not going to fit in any way you try, then double your weft like 3 times. I have two doubling here, but double it 3 times. So we are getting to the end of the our hole, and we keep going round and round. At the point of going round and round, it will almost start getting confusing, and you have to like turn your mannequin head almost every single poking you do, you turn, and it just begins to get weird. Keep going, just keep going round and round. Turn the mannequin head and go round and turn every tiny step. Just keep going round. You are on point. Do not let it confuse you. You are on point. Just keep going round. Pull the hair, so turn the mannequin, pull the hair, so turn the mannequin. Just keep doing that. Mannequin, I mean dummy head. I don't know what. Yeah, I mean the dummy head. Just keep doing that. Do not let this point confuse you, and do not be tempted to just sew it across and cover that. That's not going to give you a neat ending. So just keep ensure your thread is close to the previous one and just keep going around. So in this video I only showed you how to make the ponytail and just a few seconds of me wearing it. If you want to see the complete video of where I use this, how I made my hair into the ponytail, this is just a detailed video for people who do not know how to make a ponytail, because I know I am going to get that question from my main video. That is why I made this one, so that a beginner can turn into a ponytail pro. So if you want to watch that video, the description the link will be in the description and at the end of this video. I just recently got monetized and I am still so very excited. Please do not skip my ads so that I can make money and we can grow better on this channel and I can give you better quality videos. So but thank you so much. Every minute you spend on this channel means a lot to me. If you can, please give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you still can, just leave a comment. That would be really sweet. Leave a comment and your day will be awesome. Like, I am sending you love and light and positivity and sweetness as soon as you leave a comment, and just tell me what's up, just tell me where you're watching from, or just give a contribution or your remarks, whatever. Just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. It means a lot to me. Thanking you and thanking you. So let's keep going. I got to the end, like I was going around until I could go around no more, and then I just sewed the hair to the opposite, to the hair weft on the opposite side, and tacked it, making sure it was tight so this ponytail is not going to lose. I felt as if this hair was slightly a little bit too scanty, just a little bit too scanty for me. So I used a comb and combed out some of the coils and it became a big ass ponytail, like really big. Oh god, these coils are pretty. I wish I didn't have to comb it out, but I did. It made it look more natural, because I don't know, this hair texture is just not for my color, not for my type. This is not my hair texture. I combed it out and it looked more crazy and it looked finer that way. So I just sprayed on my leave-in conditioner mist, which is made up of a leave-in conditioner, water and coconut oil, and then I used the comb and combed it out. But later in the video I also used the hairbrush and brushed the hell out of the hair, and it became so big. So I had several styles. You need to watch the video where I made this ponytail hairstyle, because it's the title of the video is like versatile drawstring ponytail, and I showed one, two, three, four different hairstyles you can achieve with this ponytail. In this video, you've already seen two of them. Yeah, you saw two of them. So watch that video so that you see the rest on how to get your hair slayed and how to create this ponytail for yourself, not just to make the drawstring. It is so easy. Ponytail hairstyle is one of the most, like, it's so easy to make. Many of the styles are very easy to make, and it has like the best effect. It just looks, there's just something sweet about ponytail hairstyles. You pull your hair back, show your gorgeous face, your features are sticking out, and your hair is standing upright. Like, what beats that? What beats that? Ponytail hairstyle is that's the way to go. So I was done. I don't know why these people don't sell this drawstring with a comb attached to it. That is how they are supposed to sell it, because this is annoying to sew in. But I put in the combs I needed. I had 3 combs because I am paranoid. I am not paranoid, but I needed to stay there. And then you can see this thing is so big, so big, so big. Now I think it is too big. So that was what inspired the second style I did, this one, because that ponytail just looked too big. But this was not what I had in mind from the beginning, so I went back to my beginning hairstyle and I slayed it. Thank you so much for watching, my love. Bye, baby. Mwah.